Welcome home. Yeah. Wherever you go.
Welcome to the Airbnb empire. This video is how to make your first $1 million in Airbnb. Let me be real with you. Airbnb changed my life. Not overnight, not with luck, but with a system that helped me build my first million. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it, step by step. No hype, no fluff. I didn't start rich. I started like most people, confused, overwhelmed. But once I cracked the code, everything changed. They chase cash flow markets, demand, and systems. If you skip this, you're losing. This chart shows their revenue growth, starting low and skyrocketing as they scaled their marketplace. Key to your first million on Airbnb, a great listing and hospitality. Let me explain. First, find undervalued properties. Furnish smartly, then optimize pricing and marketing. Want to make your first million? I'll show you how with Airbnb. It's all about picking the right property, like this one. This is where most people get stuck. They think you need to buy property. You don't. I use rent-a-rent partnerships, control the asset, control the income, unique places at lower prices, and support locals. And you can book experiences, making trips unforgettable. $1 million hosts don't guess. We look at data. One bad market can wipe you out. One good market can change your life. Airbnb is visual. Your design sells before you ever speak. I've seen the same property double income just from better design and photos. Here's the truth. You don't make $1 million doing everything yourself. Automation, scale from 1 unit to 10 to 50. Not gambling, not guessing, but stacking smart decisions over time. Incredible. With tech, it expands globally, adapting to any market. This apartment shows it. We scale by optimizing listings like this. Look at this apartment. With high demand, you can earn consistently. Invest in a property like this and watch your income grow. Then enjoy the rewards, like this hot dog. Let me explain how to become a millionaire with Airbnb. It's about smart hosting and scaling your properties. You can do it too. Let's break down marketing using Airbnb as our example. This pie chart shows the budget allocation. Using a ruler helps measure success precisely. Marketing on Airbnb starts with a strong profile. Add high-quality photos, details that can build trust, and promote through social media. If you want the full blueprint, I put everything into my ebook, a guide you step by step. The link is in the description. Let's build your empire.